Hello friends, this is Anurag back with another video, and in this video I will show you how you can replace some non-working parts in your old Android smartphone by yourself. So today's video is little bit different from other videos. So this is kind of DIY video. So watch this video if you are interested. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. I have been using my Redmi Note 3 from last 2 years and it has been working fine. But as it has been 2 years now, I am facing the power button and charging issues on my Redmi Note 3. Let me show you the issue first. As you can see, my power button is not working. Sometimes it works, but most of the times it is not working. And the second issue is my charging port is not working. As you can see, I have plugged in the charging cable, but charging is not happening. So to resolve the issue, I have ordered the power button and charging port from AliExpress. I have purchased the power button for 110 rupees and the charging port for 128 rupees. I have received the part after 20 to 30 days. And let me tell you, there is no custom charges I have paid because the cost of this is very low. You can also find your mobile specific part in AliExpress. Just search the model number and the part name. Previously, I have faced the headphone jack issue on my Redmi Note 3. That time, I have asked the repairing cost in service center and they told me to repair the headphone jack, I need to replace my motherboard. And the cost of the motherboard is 6 to 7,000 rupees. However, I have not replaced the motherboard because the repairing cost is too much for me. And why would anybody replace the motherboard because of the headphone jack? So I came to home and I just cleaned the headphone jack with the help of isopropyl alcohol and earbud. You can find the isopropyl alcohol in your local mobile repair shop or you can buy online also. And trust me, it worked and no need to replace the headphone jack. If you are also facing the same issue, then you can try this solution. But if it is not work for you, then don't blame me. You have to replace the headphone jack. There is no other solution. And if you want to save some money, then you can order the headphone jack from aliexpress.com and get it replaced in local mobile repairing shop for cheap. The hardware of the headphone jack costs you 100 rupees and the repairing cost is 100 to 200 rupees. So effectively you will replace your headphone jack in just 300 to 400 rupees. Now I will show the parts that I have received. The packaging will look like this and it has been delivered by Indian Post. Now I will quickly open it up and show it to you. This is the volume and power button switch. And this is the charging board. Let me open it up. Take a closer look if you want. Let me show you how to change the charging port and the power switch. And to replace the part, you will just need a Phillips head screwdriver. First, we will remove the SIM tray to open the back cover. If you are opening the back cover for the first time, it will take some time. I have already opened my back cover multiple times, so it will easy to open. And open the back cover carefully as the fingerprint sensor and its cable attached to the back cover of the phone. Remove that cable and after that remove the back cover completely. Then disconnect the battery from the motherboard. And on the left side you will find the power and volume button switch. Disconnect the connector of the buttons and remove the buttons. Stick the new buttons and connect the cables. After that's done, next we'll replace the charging port. To replace the charging port, you will need to remove these 5 screws. After removing the screws, remove this part and here you will find the charging port. First, disconnect the main motherboard cable and the network cable as I am showing here. Once that done, remove the old board and install the new charging board. In this board, your mic is also located. So if your main microphone is not working, then you can order this board and replace the same. Now we'll assemble the phone and check if everything is working fine or not. As you can see, the power and volume button is working fine, and also the charging port is working fine. So we have replaced the power button and the charging port successfully. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you are interested, then you can watch my other videos, and if you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. This is Anurag signing off.